Hello and welcome. Are you ready for your library tour? Let's start. My name is Agata and today I will be your guide. Before you enter the library, make sure to leave your bags in the locker. Pick an empty locker and place your item inside. Close the locker and enter your 4-digit code. Turn the lever to the left and you are ready to go. Make sure to take a picture of the locker, not to forget where you stored your items. Food and drinks are not allowed at the library, so make sure you consume them outside or leave them in the locker. Follow me. This is our circulation desk. You can come here and ask any questions related to the library or life at the university. This is also the place where you will borrow and return your books. If you are a Maltese student, make sure you bring your ID card. Erasmus students and foreign students will be asked to prepare a library card. Now, if you're an undergraduate student, you can borrow 6 books for up to 3 weeks. If you're a postgrad student, you can borrow 10 books for up to 3 months. Books can be renewed anytime over here or online through our library search portal Heidi. Now let's go upstairs so I can show you our study areas and teach you how to find a book. Welcome to our group work area. You can discuss your group projects and presentations here in low voices. Here you will also find our book collection. On each floor, there is a computer with our library catalog. Is there any book that you are looking for? Try looking for it. Type in the title, author, or the keyword. Once you find your book in the catalog, take note of the shelf mark and the location. Not all the books will be located at the main library, so if the location indicates one of our branch libraries, you will need to go there to find that book. To locate your shelf mark, you can make use of those boards that are located on each floor of the library. Our library uses Library of Congress classification, where each subject is described by letter. What letter does your shelf mark start with? Is it P, right? Okay, let's take a look. We can see here that P is located on level 3, so this is where we have to go to find a book. Follow me. Oh, by the way, before we move up, let me tell you about Melitensia. Melitensia is a department where you will find any books related to Malta written by Maltese or foreign authors. Books have to be requested from our online catalog and then can be picked up from Melitensia circulation desk. Not all books can be borrowed, so some of them need to be consulted within Melitensia reading room. Let's move on. This is our silent study area. No group work is permitted here, and you can work on individual projects here. Do you still remember your shelf mark? On each book range at the library, you will find that information board that indicates which shelf marks are located in this section. Let's find yours. I think it's going to be here, so let's look for it on the shelf. P140, P140. Look at the shelf marks on the book spines and find the one that matches the one that you noted down. This is it, right? Okay, so this is your book. Here you go. Now you are ready to borrow it from the circulation desk. Let's go. If you have any problems finding your books on shelf, you can ask one of our friendly librarians for help. Now we can move back downstairs. Before we finish our tour, let me show you reference. Reference department is a silent study area. You can use the books over here, they cannot be borrowed. Reference is useful if you are just starting your research because it has a lot of encyclopedias, dictionaries, biographies, bibliographies, etc. Let's move on. And we are back at the circulation desk. You can borrow your book here. Give it to the circulation staff together with your ID card.
Good morning.
Apart from study spaces and print material, you can also make use of Wi-Fi, photocopying and scanners at the library.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
And that concludes our tour. If you need explanation or further information, visit our website and go on Help A to Z section. Do you have any questions? Well, then we will see you around. Bye-bye!